What's up guys, this is your boy the Average Gamer 98 here, back with another video. And in this video, we are going to do a quick unboxing and small review of the Noise Earbuds mini earphones, and which is an entry-level earphone. And as you can see here, the greatest feature that I believe that is there for this particular earphone is a 14.2mm earphone driver, which means we are going to get some good amount of sound and good amount of music playing through these earphones. So let's start off with the unboxing process of this particular earphone, and we have a slide out type of box. We have to remove the couple of like holding stickers, I would say, and then we can slide out the box from here. So this is the way it slides out totally, and I got the pale blue version they're calling, but it apparently is kind of a sea green color. And as you can see, I have the Noise Color Fit Caliber smartwatch as well, which is again of the similar color. And so jumping into the contents of the box, we have a set of stickers. The same stickers also come into the watch as well, and we are grateful kind of warranty information and reading books out there. We have the Airbuds mini here, sticker information, and the booklet basically, which details out the ways. And an interesting thing here, it directly tells about the play pause functionalities, the previous song, the next song. And this is a touch control device, by the way, so it doesn't have any direct buttons which you can press to feel what you're trying to do. It's just based on touch gestures. So now let's jump into this part here. This is the case. It's a very small case and a foam padding over here. Let's remove the foam padding, and finally we have an USB-A to USB-C connecting cable for charging. And it's not a very extraordinary cable kind of a thing, but it's kind of required, and most of the earphones at this point of time does have an USB-A to USB-C connection. So let's jump into the earphones itself. Just keep the things aside and then kind of jump into the earphones, and we would be looking into the first, a coating which is there, like it's just to secure the stuff. Let's remove this one. So once we remove this one, we are finally jumping into the case itself. So let's look at the case first. We have a Noise branding at the bottom in the front of the case, and we have a magnetic lid, the charging, and a reset button at the bottom. And here we are, the first look of the headphones or earphones, however you want to call it. It's basically a similar replica to the Apple Airpods, to be honest. And let's take them out of the case, and we have let's remove them first. Kind of a sticker, it's just there to prevent it from getting charged while it's there in the case itself. So let's remove the other one. So left and right earbuds, as you can see, it's a half in ear kind of an earbud here. It's not like full, you will get any cushions or like that. So no cushions there, no earbuds covering there, because it's a half in ear style of earbuds. And there you could see the the reset button, which is also there, and a satisfying click there as well. So this is how the earphone, however you want to call it, looks like. And this is the smartwatch, Noise Fit Caliber smartwatch as well, and you can literally compare the color. It's almost similar, guys. It's almost similar, though the one on the earphones is a bit deeper compared to the one on the smartwatch. So let's rip this up, rip this part, and you can see this magnetic clip, magnetic charging point basically on the right and the left hand side of the earphones. So now we'll jump into setting it up with the Bluetooth device, and then also look into having it, see how it appears once you have it on your ears, and we are going to do a quick review of the sound as well. So let's jump into that part right now. So here I have my mobile, and as you can see, once you switch on Bluetooth, you would get Airbuds mini, and you can just pair in, just click on pair, and that would be enough. And out of the box, it comes in with, let's look at the charge percentage. It comes in with 10% battery, which is pretty less, to be honest, because I have had the Bolt Audio Pro Bass earphones as well, and that came with 60%, I believe, as far as I can recall, but it would vary. So let's test it out by wearing it. So this is how you would look like once you wear it. and this is how I look with the messy hair, and it's pretty comfortable, to be honest. It's pretty comfortable out there, and it's not gonna fall off easily. You guys might be thinking it's gonna fall off because it's in half in ear kind of a style headphones, but it's not gonna fall off. So let's shake my head a bit, and as you can see, it's pretty sturdy and comfortable as well. So let's move on to the final comments of this particular earphone. Closing comments for the Noise Earbuds Mini. It's a pretty good looking as well as very comfortable one. Comfortable headphone, I would say, and the audio that you are kind of listening to at this point of time is from this particular earphone, so you guys would be the better judge of how it even sounds like. So thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already. This is your boy, the Average Gamer 98 over here, signing off. You guys take care, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.